What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the Budget TJ build. Hope everyone's having a good day, staying safe. And today we're going to start the next phase of the Jeep build, which is the suspension. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm having some issues with bump steer, so we're going to be installing this rough country steering stabilizer, which I got off of Amazon for about 34 bucks. And then also I've had a few people ask me questions about my suspension, which I plan on upgrading, but I just wanted to show you guys this actually came on the vehicle when I bought it, and it is just a 2-inch spacer and Rubicon Express shocks. So usually you can get these kits for around $200-300 bucks, with the spacers and the shocks, and it's good if you're just trying to put bigger tires on there. I think I'm going to end up going with a 4-inch, but first step is to get this installed because I think the original steering stabilizer is still on here, and as you see, it's seeing better days, so we're going to swap it out and see if we notice any difference. Checking out the contents of everything that comes with it is obviously the steering stabilizer itself. You get 2 things of hardware because this does have multiple applications, but for the TJ you will use the 81131, and I have it pre-installed over here so you can see the orientation. So we got the washer, the lock washer, and the nut that goes on top, and then this piece that actually slides through there, and then you got a lock washer and a nut on the bottom. And then installation is as easy as removing that, which you will actually reuse that nut and bolt. And then this one, obviously you've seen up there, it gets replaced, but from what I've seen and heard, that's probably the most difficult part of this installation. So we'll get you set up on a time lapse while I remove and install the new one. So it took a lot of work, but I was finally able to get this out. I did have to PB blast it, heat it, grind it, pound it, all that stuff. So be prepared to spend some time just getting that one bolt out. But we were able to get it. And then if you look underneath, I got this thing put in there. So it looks pretty good. Slap the sticker on there. But I guess the only thing left to do, we're going to test it and make sure everything's good side to side, and then see if we have any benefits from it. Alright, so I took it out on a quick test drive. Everything seems to be working the way it's supposed to, so hopefully that helps with a little bit of my issues. That's just the starting point of the suspension upgrades. We're going to go with a little more aggressive lift, and hopefully we'll get better performance on that, and then also better ride quality. So if you're interested on following the TJ build or the Challenger build, you should definitely subscribe. Hopefully you like this video. As always, I appreciate everyone for watching. Thank you. Have a good night.